observe. Let's factorize x to the power of 4 minus x minus z whole to the power of 4. Let's see the identities. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So when we observe these three identities here, this will not be in the form of a plus b whole square. The reason is we have three terms in that, but here only two terms are present. When we simplify this, maybe we'll be getting some more terms, but will be expansion after so many terms we'll be getting, so that here this will not be in the form of a plus b whole square, and if it is not in the form of a plus b whole square, automatically it is not in the form of a minus b whole square also, because it has more terms. Maybe when we expand this, so here leftover is a square minus b square. Maybe this is in the form of a square minus b square. The reason is without simplification of this x power 4, when we take this x power 4 and x power 4, this can be written as square n square. Then we use the identity that a power n whole power n. Because of exponents we have learned a to the power of n and whole to the power of n is a to the power of m into n. So using this identity here, this can be written as x to the power of 4 can be written as x square into x square, that is x to the power of 2 whole to the power of 2, that is x to the power of 4. So what we have done is 2 into 2, we multiplied this 2 and 2 as we done in the identity, m into n, this is 2 into 2 we have done, x power 4 we got. So similarly we can write this one, x to the power of 4 can be written as x to the power of 2 and whole to the power of 2. So minus here x minus z, x minus z can be written as whole to the power of 2 and whole square. So what we observe here, this is in the form of a square minus b square, and a value we have taken as this whole term x square, and the b term is x minus z whole square. So let's recall again. This is written as, this can be written as using the formula x square whole square minus x minus z whole square. X minus z whole power 4 can be written as x minus z whole square, x minus z whole square whole to the power of 2, using this identity. So these two are balanced. Now we can observe we have the formula of a square minus b square, and then let's think this one is a and square and this is b square. So a square minus b square. So this whole term we have taken as a. So a square, this is b, the whole term x minus z whole square is b, and we think that this is a square. So a square minus b square. So let's write this a square minus b square. So the value of a is here a square minus b square. This whole term is a. In the place of a we have x square. In the place of b we have x minus z whole square, because there is square already present in this. So in the place of b we have x minus z whole square. X minus z whole square. So let's see here. Let's write this again. The same terms are present in this. That is x square and whole square, same as it is, and x minus z whole square. Just we have written the same term, but we identify the terms of a and b. So using the identity of a square minus b square, using the identity of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So let's write this a square minus b square. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b, here a value, we know that the value of a is x square. So let's write x square plus b is x minus z whole square. So x minus z whole square. So we have written, So write in this separate bracket because we have this whole bracket. So a minus b, it can be written as, so a value we know that x square, so write x square minus b value is x minus z whole square, so x minus z whole square. So write this bracket for this. So we have written, let's recall, a square minus b square. So that is can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So the value of a is here, x square, and b is x minus z whole square, and a is x square minus b is x minus z whole square. So a plus b, a minus b. So let's see here, this is x square, x minus z whole square, x square, x minus z whole square. We can simplify this part using the identity of a minus b whole square. So let's simplify this part. X square, a minus b whole square, that is x square minus 2xz plus z square. We use the identity that we got here is x square is the same term we have written, and then when we use the formula of identity of a minus b whole square, x minus z whole square, so x square minus 2xz plus z square. So let's use the same identity and simplify this part. So that is, so x square minus, here there is a minus value, so let's take the bracket and multiply the minus after. So x square minus 2xz plus z square. We close the bracket. So now we can identify here there is a terms of x square and x square in this. Let's recall x square and x minus z whole square. We simplify, we got this one, x square minus this x minus z whole square we have simplified, we got this. So let's see here, there are the terms of x square. So x square and x square, the like terms, we can add these two terms, that we will be getting 2x square minus 2xz plus z square. So close the bracket, and after here we can see that there is a minus symbol. This minus will be applicable for whole term. So let's multiply with the minus. So here after multiplication with the minus, x square minus x square plus 2xz minus z square. So close the bracket, then we'll be getting here so here 2x square minus 2xz plus z square. Then after here we got is x square minus x square. These are the like terms, we can simplify this both. Then after we have left with two terms, that is 2xz minus z square. So after that, here when we observe these terms of 2x square minus 2xz plus z square, we cannot simplify this one. So let's write these terms are same as it is, 2x square minus 2xz plus z square. So here there is a common of x. There is a common of z in these both the terms. So let's take z in common, then we'll be getting here that is 2x minus z. So finally, after factorization of x power 4 minus x minus z whole to the power of 4, we got the factors of x square, 2x square minus 2xz plus z square and z into 2x minus z.